One sunny day in Hogwarts, Albus Dumbledore sat on his office chair, stroking his long white beard. He looked out the window, wondering what magical adventure awaited him. Suddenly, a little owl flew in carrying a letter. Albus opened it and read, "The time turner needs repair. Hurry." Albus jumped up, grabbing his wand and hat. He whispered, "Accio broomstick." His favorite broomstick appeared. He mounted it and flew out of the castle. He arrived at the time turner room. It was a mystical place, filled with glowing orbs and ancient scrolls. He started to work, concentrating hard on the broken device. Hours passed, and just as he was about to give up, a small spark of light flickered, and the time turner whirred to life. Albus smiled, proud of his work. He tested it, and it worked perfectly. He repaired the time turner. Albus was so happy he couldn't help but dance a little jig. He returned to Hogwarts, where everyone cheered for him. Professor McGonagall said, "You've done a wonderful job, Albus." Albus blushed and thanked her. He knew that he had made a difference that day. And so, he went to bed, ready for more magical adventures. The end.